For the nose, we're going to switch to the colored yarn using the 4.5 millimeter hook. We're going to start with a chain 5. So do a slip knot and then chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. For round 1, we're going to begin by doing 1 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Then we're going to do 2 single crochet. And in this last stitch, we're going to do 3 single crochet and ending up on the other side of the chain. There's 2 and 3. And then we're going to do 2 single crochet, working on the opposite end side of the chain, and finish the round with 2 single crochet in that last stitch. And at the end of this round, you should have a total of 10 stitches. For round 2, we're going to start by doing 1 increase, and then do 3 single crochet, 2 and 3. Then we're going to increase 2 times. So here's 1 and 2. Then we're going to do 3 single crochet, 1, 2, and 3. And finish the round off with 1 increase. And at the end of this round, you should have a total of 14 stitches. For round 3, we're going to start with 1 increase, followed by 5 single crochet. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do another increase. Do 1 single crochet, 1 increase, 3 single crochet, 1 increase, and then 1 more single crochet. And at the end of this round, you should have a total of 18 stitches. For round 4, we're going to start with 1 increase, followed by 7 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then we're going to do 1 more increase, followed by 2 single crochet, another increase, then 3 single crochet, increase, and finish off with 2 single crochet. And at the end of this round, you should have a total of 22 stitches. We're going to remove that stitch marker and slip stitch into the next 2 stitches, tie off. Make sure you leave a long enough tail for sewing the nose onto the muzzle. So you'll leave this one for sewing and weave in this end. And that is the nose. To add the nose, we're not going to put the stuffing in until we get further along in stitching it on, but you're going to place it so the seam is going side to side, and you want to center it between the eyes at the very top of the muzzle, and the top of your nose is actually going to come up along the bottom of the eyes. So we'll start just like with the other pieces. I'm going to go under a stitch in the body and then up through, and then up through a stitch in the nose, just like that. And before you go too far, make sure that you've placed that first stitch so the nose is right where you want it. And then you'll go to the next stitch in the body and then come up through the stitch in the nose. And then you'll just follow that all the way around, and before you close this up completely, you'll put your stuffing in there. We'll just continue to go all the way around, and then when you reach about here, you'll go ahead and add your stuffing to it before you finish it up. And here I've stitched about half of the nose in place. So now's the time to grab some of your stuffing and go ahead and stuff the nose so it can have its shape. Make sure you get that all in there, and that way it can have its shape. And then you'll just take your yarn needle and finish stitching the rest of the way around, and you'll have to push this down into place. And then when you get up here to the eyes, you want to line this part of the nose up with the bottom of the eyes. So you'll actually do a few stitches through the eye part. Down here, that last row of the eyes. That way it lines up. Just like that. And then you'll just finish it off. Last couple of stitches. So we've got it touching the bottom of the eyes, and then we'll bring the stitches back down to the muzzle. Last stitch. And then you're ready to tie off. So we'll just run that through there, tie it off, and then you'll just stick your yarn needle, run it through the muzzle so you can hide that tail, and run it through a couple of times. Just like that. And then to finish off the muzzle area, if you have enough yarn left over after stitching your nose on, instead of cutting it off, you can just bring it through to about 2 rows from that center seam. Come up through one of the stitches, and you can stitch on. I'm just going to do a little half of a smile here, or you could have just run all the way down and done a full smile, but I'm just going to give them a little half smile here. So I came up through this hole that's about 2 rows from the center. I'm going to go into that next stitch there, skip a stitch, or no, yeah, I'm going to come through there, skip this next stitch and come up, and then I'm going to backtrack and go through that stitch back here and come up through the one that we skipped, just like that. And then I'm going to go through the stitch where the other stitch had come through, skip a stitch, and then come up through the next one. And then I'll come back here to this stitch where we entered before and come up through the stitch we skipped. And that gives him a little bit of a half smile there. I think I'll go one more. So I'll just go in through this stitch here, come up through the next one, and then I will tie off. And hide that tail inside the muzzle. So just run it through, and then he's got a little half smile there. So I'll just run it through a couple of times just to make sure it's going to stay. And then snip it off. And there we go. Our cat has a little half smile there. And we are ready for the ears.